Today we're working on Excel Expert Lesson 4, the 5th lesson, using comments. So with the income statement workbook open, select cell C6, right here. On the Review tab, so click the Review tab. In the Comments group, click New Comment. New Comment. In the Start a Conversation field, we're going to type revenue came from sales of souvenir T-shirts. Note, if you're using Office 2019 Professional Plus, enter the text in the comment box. Your screen will appear as shown below. Click anywhere on the worksheet away from the comment. Excel displays a comment indicator at the top right corner of the cell to remind you that you have inserted a comment there. Otherwise, the comment would remain hidden until you position the mouse pointer over that cell. So you see right here that there's where that comment is. With the current active cell elsewhere on the worksheet, point the cursor at C6, which is what I did, and the comment box reappears. Click Post, which is right here, that green thing right here, and that will post that comment. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Select cell C21. C21. And on the Review tab in the Comments group, click New Comment. In the Start a Conversation field, type net income needs to be improved with an exclamation point. Then click the Post button. Click elsewhere on the worksheet to hide the comment. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. If necessary, you can display all comments on a worksheet at one time. On the Review tab in the Comments group, click Show Comments. So right here, you click that and you can see over here the comments are shown. The task pane opens displaying both comments. Both comments are displayed in the worksheet. On the Review tab in the Comments group, click Show Comments again, and that's going to close that task pane, so mark that as answered. Make cell A1 the active cell, so click in cell A1. On the Review tab in the Comments group, click Next Comment. Cell C6 should now be the active cell. You see that it jumped down to that, at least it did in mine. The cell pointer will move to the first comment, which is attached to cell C6. Notice that comment 1 displays in the name box. So if I go right here, C6, mine doesn't. Mine says C6. Click the Next Comment button again. C21 should now be the active cell. Cell pointer moves to the second comment. On the Review tab in the Comments group, click Previous Comment. That makes cell C6 the active cell. Open the Comments task pane. Click the first comment to select it. So open Show Comments. Click in the first cell. Notice that C6 is now the active cell. You see right there that it's got that around it. Leave the Comments task pane open for the next task. So let's mark that as answer. In the Comments task pane, click in the Reply field for the first task. Type by how much. With a question mark. And then click the Cancel button to remove the text. to say this must be the cancel button. Yep, click that X and that removes it. Click in the reply field again, and we're going to type what else can we include in this category with a question mark, and then click the post button. Close the comments task pane and position the mouse cursor over cell C6. Notice that the reply comment appears below the original comment. Point at the reply comment for cell 6 and then click edit. Double click the word else, and we're going to replace it with other items, and then click save, showing you how you can edit these comments. Reply to the second comment with expenses. So let's go down here to the second comment, and we're going to click reply. Expenses are expected to increase by 15%. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Select cell, and it didn't say to post it. I'm going to jump out on a limb and post that. Select cell C6. Point to the reply comment and then delete. Notice that the original comment is still applied to the cell. On the review tab in the comments group, click delete, and that got rid of that comment. Delete the comment in cell C21. So now we have no comments. No comment on how dumb that was. Submit it. Submit results. 6 green checks. So this completes using comments.